Messick, what we doing? Huh?
Man, we out here Bridge Wars, man.
Bridge Wars.
And we're going to see what we can do tonight, man.
I'm on the back of the golf cart.
We're in all motor with a bunch of Fox bodies with big motors. And we're a little outgunned, but hey, man, we're going to fight. We ain't going to give up.
We're going to get busy.
Like, look at this, man.
Not a single car with 2,500 pounds.
Nah.
All of you, stretch out. All of you shaking out at 6:30. Now here, be smart. Get you in front of line because with or without you, we are going down the track the way we carried you up at 8 o'clock. We here checking in for all motor. And it look like we're going to go ahead and get paired off right now. Okay. So we'll see who we're going to race in the first round.
All right. Dylan.
Yeah, we about to draw, man. Hopefully we get a good draw. So we'll see. Try to stay away from each other, you know what I mean? Try to go rounds.
Yeah.
So that's the goal.
All right. Well, that works out for us.
I was going to tell you to draw right next to me because it always be a different car.
And drove all this way, drew each other. That's what shit.
Evil world we live in.
Jesus Christ.
We got one.
God's on the side. God's on the side.
Big time.
We gotta get the cards. Hold on. I need to sign it. Count how many?
Redraw.
We having a class though.
Pretty much everybody standing right here and everybody who's on the right side. It's like damn. That's a lot of people. What was it, like 10?
It's like 10 to 12.
Okay, 10 to 12 ain't bad.
That's a good class. It's a good class.
It's a good class size.
Yeah.
Probably some people on top of this.
Yeah, because a lot of people driving down today, like you said. So there's that. Putting the hair, try to get something done. Right beside.
I mean, I don't know what you want. Oh, no. I will get the cars though. I got 18 of them, so that means all I need is 9.
Which one is it?
One more. I think that's all more right there.
Is it? Better.
I don't really know.
Jack.
So, you ready to jump?
You got lane two?
You got 18, right? Yeah, 18.
What are you calling in the lane?
I'm calling it and said.
Okay.
Ice cream man came over. I'll take one. This is all stuff middle.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
Nice knowing you, bro.
Yes, sir. He's got hope it shakes. Hope it shakes. That damn thing's fast. Damn, bro. Turn it down, please. Yeah. You gonna ride?
Yeah.
Y'all just gotta take turns.
Say if you drew it.
Alright, we gone.
Thank you. You just keep drawing us, don't you?
Oh, stop it, man.
Good luck to you, boss man. Good luck to you.
Oh, man.
You had your horse. You had Jack.
Ice cream?
You had the
I'll
Jack.
buy an ice cream. Ice cream.
Yeah, I'm good. Appreciate it.
Black Camaro. Yeah. Okay. White Mustang. All right. Gotcha. I'll see you up there. Let me know what lane. It don't matter. So.
We're going down in the order that we gave him back, right? So you guys are
I think we're first pair.
We'll go after that.
So Dylan's first pair down after open test.
Second pair.
Second pair down after open test. And we can get to it.
Clock was first round. Okay.
All right. Well,
That's it.
Let's go, bro.
I just handled some business. Fuck it. This is what we came here to do.
That's all we can do.
Yeah, that's it, man. That's it. He said white fox, so fox body on fox body crime right here.
Oh, the one that
That's not him.
the one we rode past the white drink.
Said, I'm not going to be standing in my seat. I'm going to be on my converter, so I'll be able to look like this.
That bitch gonna turn 73 in the burner.
Yo.
I'm trying to have it shift as soon as I move.
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah, that's crazy.
They got me lined up with Rocket Man.
All them people.
He said the white fox body hat. So I think that's
Bro, little gangsters
on
got
his ass.
endless folks. All those people right there is for little good gangsters and also all glass. Like that whole little crowd over there.
It didn't look like him. I thought he was a younger guy.
Maybe he don't drive it.
He probably don't. That car right there. Damn. You gotta get him the fuck out of there. That's the car that Dylan's racing.
All right, whatever you want to do.
All right.
I said, I'm taking right on the fuck, man. I want the tree next to me.
Nothing but Fox bodies. Be a good night of racing though.
I guess the rules still apply, right?
They gotta say that in the shootout in the driver's meeting.
That shit crazy.
Got no way to tell if he got a big block or not when we line up.
Yeah.
I'll make a little contestant up here in the lanes.
All right.
Hey, B Hill agreed with us. He said late model overdrive, no rules.
You can say that.
He said I'll be down for that kind of class. I said,
I would run that fast every week.
I said, man, we'd have 4 cars right here in our group. So
But nobody wants to do it because the boy's scared of interior, and then Redfield shows up and he's scared of that too. I'm like, God damn it.
Can't win.
you want to race that or you want to race ours? What do you want to do?
Y'all boys ready?
I'm about to put the suit on and shit.
Are you going to put it on now? I was going to put it on up there. I was going to keep my shorts on with this fucking slide there.
See, I was about to say, tomorrow we can grudge race some motherfuckers to come here for the fast race. The late model cars.
Let's do it.
We do that tomorrow.
I'm down. I'm trying to get some racing in. You know what I mean? I'm not like, I'm going to race that motherfucker too. Before the night's over, I might end up racing.
I seen that green Mustang in the fast race. I'm thinking about asking him. Yeah. See if we can get something going, bro.
Hey, let's bust some ass.
I don't know if they're gonna let us in the lanes or not, though. They call big time. They didn't call us to come to the lane.
They said anybody in the shootout should get up there. Because like 7 o'clock.
all right? Hella shit going on. Brother, how you feel?
I feel solid. I ain't gonna lie, I think that it might be what we need.
So what happened? What just happened?
I think they just told us that we're not about to get no shakedown, we just about to get in that paint.
Yeah, that's so
I'm a
no
bit of an off the trailer gangster if you ask me. So
yeah. So basically, we supposed to get shakes, but I guess time ran over a little bit. So instead of us doing that, now we just straight in the Moda Shootout round 1. As soon as we get down there, I guess I think they're gonna pair them up like close to when they get down there. I guess I don't know how they're gonna figure that out. But I know Dylan's first pair, so that's it.
I'm second pair, so
If Dylan's first pair is their second pair. Shit, I can go to the trailer. Yeah, that's that. But hopefully this is what we need to advance to the second round. Everybody don't got all the trailer setups for every track, so we'll be all right. Try and figure it out. Long as we go A to B, I'm not really worried about what happens in the other lane.
that's it.
Man, I'm gonna go talk to Dylan, but he's kind of busy.
Yeah. You just gotta be the best you can be, bro.
Yeah, really.
That's it.
That's it.
I'm trying to figure out, do we get a shake?
Jesus.
And that's where you see stuff starts to fall out. Right. Where is it? Oh, there it is.
Dylan, how you feel about the no shakedown thing? Well, we about to go confirm, but
You know, these events, man, you just got to hurry up and wait.
but I'll tell you like this. If it's straight in the E1, that's cool because if they don't got A to B settings, if we go A to B, hey, fuck it, let's go to another round.
I had issues last week, so I really want to test pass just to see if the car is like squared away.
Today is still gonna be a test pass. for
Like
tomorrow.
if I was you, Ty, like you should go A to B straight. So like I wouldn't even care about a test pass.
Still a test pass,
Yeah,
go
I
A to
don't
B.
really care either
My
way.
thing is today's still a
Nope.
test day regardless
Just
though.
did
We
it
still got
behind
tomorrow.
this car.
Yeah.
All of our suspension data is on fucked up tires settings. They fucked up
Not all of
suspension
it.
settings.
We started the suspension training with the first line.
It still
Yeah.
won't work.
Yeah, but that was almost a year or so ago.
Yeah, you got
Earlier this year.
If anything, the back was so out of whack.
It should
might
be
get
better now.
grip.
It should be
Yeah.
faster now.
he might now. Might, because now you got more contact patch.
If you pull the wheels up, I'm like, fuck. Maybe I
You
should
know
have
what to do.
listened when Kelly said not as much tilt.
I sent you the specs anyway.
I ignored them.
Wow.
I mean, I use them as a guideline, but
I still have the old specs because you lose them every time you do an alignment.
first of all, I don't lose them. I send them to you because they're not mine.
I
You
have
asked me for them.
I would say I have them.
I have 'em. He just be trying shit. He said this look good.
Sometimes we gotta put faith in them.
No, I just do a lot of math. Now that I have a job that makes me do math, I can do math in every fucking thing. Both of them just shook.
Hey, you gonna think it was break?